Welcome to Vancouver.
Welcome, Miss Venus, here in Calgary.
Welcome to Ontario.
Ganda ng lugar nyo rito sa Toronto.
It feels like home having you here.
We have so much to be thankful for. Being here in Canada, all the more humbled us.
The life here has been very fulfilling for me.
It's not all about work, it's not all about career, but it's also living. Hello, I'm Danvic Briones.
I am Pao Mendoza.
I'm Johnny Montes.
My name is Teresa Mendoza Tralba.
I am Mark Benefit.
I am Rexeline Ann Cabaltero Reyes.
Mabuhay! Ako si Quintina Chanova.
Ako po si Rhea Leocampo.
Ito nga pala si Kuya Jobert, and this is my MX3 story. Let's go!
Hindi po siya naging madali. Lahat po ng struggle is nandito.
Si God lang talaga yung naging sandalan namin eh. Basically, we're on our own here.
Ang the best talaga pag nag-abroad ka, maghanap ka ng church. Yun ang magtutulong sa'yo.
Alagaan mo yung binigay sa'yo ng Diyos na katawan. Yun, MX3.
MX3 is really good product. I've been taking it quite a bit.
It helps me talaga po kasi yung energy ko na maintain ko, hindi ako nagkakasakit.
When we bring MX3 with us, it's really helping us a lot.
I really need that push and help from MXD Capsule, which makes me a better me.
MX3 is our supplement of choice.
Dito kami believe.